What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're back with the Cayenne, and I'm going to show you how to clean some glass, specifically tinted windows. This SUV has tinted windows, so let's just go ahead and get started, and let's show you guys how to clean some windows. So step one of cleaning windows, just get a great glass cleaner, man. That's going to make your life so easy. I recommend the Masterson's glass cleaner. It's always been my glass cleaner of choice. And then you need some great microfiber towels. I'm going to use 2 of our blue microfiber towels. So let's start cleaning some glass, man. So when you have tinted glass, you don't want to use ammonia-based glass cleaner. You also don't want to use any harsh chemical because it can actually hurt the tint. Now, just so you guys know, window tint's actually on the inside of the window. So it's not on the outside, it's actually on the inside. So this is going to work on the outside and the inside. So this has a lot of glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 windows. Let's start cleaning, I guess. So let's just turn on our glass cleaner. Spray a little at the camera guy, there we go. Okay, and let's just start cleaning, man. I'm gonna spray all the glass on the outside. And look, I just sprayed 2 sprays of glass cleaner. And then I'm gonna grab my first microfiber towel and I'm just gonna clean the glass, dude. So our glass cleaner works good, works fast, works easy. And when I like to clean a big SUV like this, I just like to go ahead and clean all the glass on all the sides, okay? Now that I've cleaned the glass, I'm gonna take my microfiber and I'm just gonna buff off with my second towel. So come in close over here, guys. Look at this glass. This glass looks perfectly streak-free, right? That's a great looking glass, perfectly streak-free. That's what I love about the Masterson's glass cleaner, man, is it's always streak-free. It's like we spray it on, it's streak-free, it's easy to use, it's easy to do. It works on mirrors. So I'm gonna spray a mirror and I'm just gonna take a microfiber towel and clean the mirror, right? So this is like an easy task that you're really supposed to do all the time if you want to keep clean glass. Oh, I forgot there's these little small windows here, but I'm not going to spray. I'm just going to use the residual cleaner that's on my glass towel. So let's move to the inside now. There we go. 1 spray and we're good to go. So if you guys out there have problems cleaning glass, I get it. I vibe with it. And I understand your problems, man. So let's clean the glass, dude. Now this is where the tint is, and this is where you wanna actually spend your time not harming the glass, okay? Not scratching the tint. Because if you use like bad towels, you can actually scratch this tint. And dude, you don't want this. And this car has really nice tint, okay? Let's open this one. There we go, 1 spray. That's all we need, 1 spray. And let's clean the glass, there we go. Cool, easy done too. And I already did this one too, so let's move on to the back windshield. The back is looking a little dirty. See how the glass is dirty? Back of the car, glass always gets dirty. So I use 3 sprays, and if we want, we can pop up this. Pretty cool. And once again, same towels we're using. We're not having to switch up towels. Our towels are good, and we keep going until they look dirty. So let's clean the glass, go all the way to the top, and we'll move over here. There we go, and scrub it. Now, if you guys have been following us, we've been detailing this Cayenne. This is like a used car that we picked up. So we're detailing all the spots of the Cayenne, and we're using the 2 towel method. So you see I'm using 1 towel as my wet towel, and then I'm using another towel as my dry towel, and look at the results. Perfect, right? Let's open the tailgate. Here we go, okay. Wow, Cayenne, for sure. Probably the easiest window that I've been able to clean. I think they designed it this way. Cause like, I'm short, but still, I'm able to access this window and make sure that it's super clean, right? Cool, I've done a lot of SUVs and this back window is the hardest, but I'm surprised how easy Porsche made this. Cool setup here. Nice, there we go, okay. Now, this is kind of a weird thing. Come inside with me, guys. We got boxes here with stuff. This is like a real car. There's like baby diapers and stuff. This is like a real hauler. So you guys are seeing some like real detailing going on. We still haven't detailed the inside vacuum yet. We've only cleaned and conditioned the seats, okay? So let's go ahead and spray this inside glass right here. guys getting that? Nice, cool. So easy glass cleaning. Just make sure that you like go all the way to the edges, because I don't know about you guys, but I hate having dirty glass, dude. You know, like my son, he's young, and you know, his favorite thing to do besides like eat watermelon and puzzles is he likes riding in the car, you know. But like, why does he like riding in the car? He likes riding in the car because he gets to see everything. It's like an adventure for him. So like when I take him out and I want to drive around in the car with him, I want him to see everything, you know. So I do a good job cleaning the glass, make sure it looks good. And this is kind of the car for that. And I noticed, you guys might notice, like, look, we got some like scratches here on this bumper. Like, this is a real machine that, you know, dogs get in and out of. So hopefully it's kind of like your car at home. Let's come over to the other side, guys. So let's try and whack out this side real quick. Let's do it in one nice motion here, okay? If you guys want to pick up some glass cleaner, just go to our website, mastersonswax.com, and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We post codes every day. Here's another tip that you could do is you can also like take the glass and you can like crack it down a little bit and clean the top of the glass. I'm gonna do that next time. I'm not gonna do it this time just because this car just got washed and the seal is wet. So if I roll the window down even a little bit, it's gonna like make some streaks. So I don't wanna do that. So we're gonna skip that. And the next time I clean the glass, I'm gonna do that, okay? Spray a little more. And as you notice, I'm still using like the same towel, guys. Like, still using the same towel, still using the same product. Detailing should be fast, detailing should be easy. We're just making it easy today, okay? Okay, now let's go with the insides. Here we go. And the cool thing about our glass cleaner, it doesn't harm any of the window or the trim or the door panel. It's safe for all vehicles. And something I like about this Cayenne is it's got this little window. I know, like, you're thinking like, hey dude, like, who gives a shit about this little window? Well, I give a shit about this little window. This window's freaking cool, okay? And it's cool when you're driving because like it takes away the blind spot. You can actually like see what's going on over there, so that's cool. Okay, let's go ahead and clean this. Boop, boop, there we go. Can't wait till we clean the inside. There's still trash and stuff in this car, so we still need to clean the inside of this car, but we've got the outside done, we've got it ceramic coated, and then we're gonna work our way to the inside. Cool, okay. And the last one, the windshield. I'm gonna do the outside, but I'm gonna do the inside first. So come in here, guys, I'm gonna show you my trick to cleaning the inside. Oh no, we lost my mic. Here we go. Okay, we'll put this right here. There we go. Okay, let's turn on the lights there. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the inside of the glass. Now, like, how do you clean the inside of the glass? Like, this thing's so big, right? So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray all of the glass on the inside. Inside of the windshield's always usually really dirty, so I'm gonna spray a lot. Now, let's start on the driver's side and move our way over. Okay, so when I clean glass, and I hope I don't lose my mic, we'll put it over here. When we clean glass, we want to start on the passenger side, and I'm gonna do what's called a hand flip. Okay, so I'm gonna take the 4-towel fold, and I'm actually gonna like flip my hand like this. So you see it's like elbow out. And I'm gonna grab the steering wheel with my left hand, and I'm gonna pull myself over. Okay, all the way over here. And this way, with my body pulled all the way over here, I can actually clean all of the driver's side without fighting the window. That's like the hardest part about cleaning the inside of the car is if you're on the driver's side and you're doing this, you're fighting the window, or you're fighting the steering wheel to clean the window. And it's like, dude, I don't want to be fighting the steering wheel. And I've been cleaning the glass little by little. So if you guys don't have a razor blade here, and there was actually some like tint on this, and we've been like very carefully cleaning off the tint. So I don't know if you can see that glue on there. We've been cleaning it little by little. This has been a long-term project for us, okay? So let's keep going. Cool. And you see I go all the way down to the bottom, and then I don't want to leave any like residue on the dash, so I'm gonna give it a wipe with my towel. Our glass cleaner, it doesn't harm the dash. Look, it's just perfectly safe on everything. And then let's grab our towel and let's just buff, second towel buff. Okay. Nice. And the cool thing I like to do about the reason I like to do the inside first is because then I can see, oh, okay, here's where all the streaks are on the outside. That's where all the stuff is, where all the like smudges are. The inside of the windshield, by far the hardest part of the glass to clean, in my opinion. Okay, and once again, I'm going to pull myself over, and I'm able to get all of the driver's side. Oh, nice. And look, I found more glue. So we've been taking off the glue. Like I said, I'm gonna take a little razor blade and I'm just gonna like scrape off that glue. There we go. Got a little bit of it off. There was actually a big old tint piece right here and we took it off and now it looks great, dude. And don't forget our mirror. Sometimes you don't need to use glass cleaner. There's like residual residue on the towel and we can clean that glass. Okay. There we go, man. Look, I'm already sweating from doing this. You guys see this is real life stuff, but our glass is clean. All I gotta do is clean the front of the windshield now, but to be honest, I'm short. I can't reach the outside. So I'm gonna have to get a ladder and we'll do that at the end, guys. So now you guys know how to clean glass, man. So if you guys wanna clean your glass, check out our glass cleaner. Just check out all the products we make. We just make cool stuff here. We make cool videos. We wanna help you. We wanna make you good products. So if you're tired of using the other guys and you wanna switch to some really good products, give us a call or go to our website, mastersonswax.com, and pick up your bottle of Masterson's glass cleaner today and say goodbye to streaks forever, man. So I'm Greg. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.